Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to collapse ribbon in Excel. So let's start. So this is a ribbon in Excel. So just simply right click on the area of this ribbon. I just right click on the mouse and you can see here the option collapse the ribbon. Just click on it and you can see the ribbon is collapsed. Okay, if you want to bring back again, just click on the any tab. So I just click on the home and just click on this arrow and click on the always show the ribbon. Okay, same as if you want to collapse again, you can use the shortcut key control F1. So I press here the control F1, you can see the ribbon is collapse again. Same as again bring back again, I use the control F1. Okay, the third way, just click on this arrow and you can see here some option show tab only. Just click on it and you can see the ribbon is collapse again. So this is a way you can easily collapse the ribbon in Excel. So hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.